Can you solve this? What is 3 plus 3 and what is 3 plus 6? Can you solve this? What is 3 plus 7 and what is 3 plus 8? Can you solve this? What is 4 plus 4 and what is 4 plus 5? Can you solve this? What is 4 plus 1 and what is 4 plus 2? Can you solve this? What is 5 plus 1 and what is 5 plus 2? Can you solve this? What is 5 plus 5 and what is 5 plus 6? Malika, can you solve this? What is 5 plus 0 and what is 5 plus 3? Can you solve this? What is 6 plus 0 and what is 6 plus 2? Can you solve this? What is 6 plus 3 and what is 6 plus 1? Can you solve this? What is 6 plus 5 and what is 6 plus 6?